In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable payroll, add employees, process a pay run, and file RTI to HMRC. We're going to walk through the full basic payroll flow in a clear and practical way so you can move from setup to submission with confidence. The goal here is to make sure payroll is enabled correctly, employee tax information is entered accurately, and your pay run is processed and reported properly. To begin, enable payroll by going into your payroll settings and entering your HMRC details. This is where you'll set up key information such as your PAYE reference and tax district details. These settings are essential because they connect your payroll records to the correct HMRC account. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving, since even small errors in these fields can affect payroll reporting later on. Once payroll is enabled, the next step is to add your employees. As you create each employee record, make sure you enter the correct tax code, national insurance category, and any student loan information that applies. These details directly affect how much tax and NI are calculated, so accuracy is very important. If you're migrating employees from another system or working from starter information, it's a good idea to double check what you enter against the employee's official payroll documents. After your employee details are in place, you're ready to process a pay run. Navigate to Payroll, then Pay Runs, and select Add Pay Run. From there, choose the relevant pay period and begin reviewing the payroll values for each employee. This is the stage where you'll confirm that pay, deductions, and statutory calculations are all appearing as expected. Before moving forward, carefully review the numbers to make sure nothing looks unusual. Catching issues here is much easier than correcting them after submission. When everything looks correct, post the pay run. Posting finalizes the payroll for that period and prepares it for reporting. After the pay run has been posted, submit the real-time information, or RTI, directly to HMRC. This step sends the required payroll data to HMRC for that pay period and ensures your reporting obligations are met on time. Make sure the submission completes successfully, and if available, check for any confirmation or status message showing that HMRC has received it. That's the complete process. Enable payroll, add employees with the correct tax details, create the pay run, post it, and file RTI. If you follow those steps carefully and review your information as you go, payroll becomes much more manageable and much more accurate.